Welcome to DLSU-D Library. How to search books in Cambridge. To start your search, visit the DLSU-D website. Scroll down to the bottom and click on the link to the University Library. Once at the library website, click on the Entry Services site, which will bring you to the detailed page of the library. Click on the link to Cambridge eBooks. Sign in using your DLSUD email account. Once at the Cambridge search platform, type a search term. The number of search results is displayed here. Limiters are available to limit numerous search results, which can be refined to content available in our subscription or to open access resources only. Aside from that, search results can also be limited to content types like journals or books. The author's name can also be searched within the search results. Search results may also be refined by publication date, subject, tags, publishers, series, or collections. For this module, we limit our search results to only the contents I have access to in books. Notice the decrease in the number of search results. Each time we refine the search results, the number decreases. The limiters are also shown here. You add more limiters as you can and remove those limiters as well. To browse an ebook, just click on a link. The book publication details are available from here. The Information tab contains a description of the book. While the Contents tab allows you to access book chapters. Click on the PDF icon, and a new tab will open containing the PDF full text of the book chapter. An option to download if print is allowed. The Export Citation link provides you with a bibliographic citation. An option to download the citation is also available. In case you need to send a specific book chapter to Kindle, Google Drive, or Dropbox, click on the link to the chapter to send the book chapter to any of the said platforms. Bookmarking is allowed using a personal Cambridge account. Sharing tools via social media is also possible. In case you need to go back to the previous pages, breadcrumb links can easily lead you back to a page. The Metrics tab provides usage analytics of the book. That ends our module on how to search books in Cambridge.